Can you imagine improving your health with something as simple and inexpensive as water with baking soda? As incredible as it may seem, this combination has multiple benefits backed by health professionals. In fact, many doctors not only recommend it but also consume it regularly. In this presentation, we'll show you all the benefits of this mixture, how to prepare it properly, and what precautions you should keep in mind. Before we begin, tell us in the comments how old you are and which city you're watching from. Your participation is important and helps us create more useful content for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more health and wellness tips that can make a big difference in your life and in the lives of your loved ones. Let's get started. One of the main benefits of water with baking soda is related to kidney function. These organs filter the blood and eliminate waste from the body. When the body's pH becomes imbalanced due to excess acidity, the kidneys can become overburdened. Drinking this mixture helps neutralize that acidity, easing the kidneys' workload and aiding in the elimination of toxins through urine. It can also be helpful for those who suffer from heartburn or heavy digestion. If you've ever felt a burning sensation in your chest or throat caused by excess stomach acid, baking soda can provide almost immediate relief by neutralizing that acid. By lowering the acid level in the stomach, the liver can better focus on detoxifying the blood. The respiratory system may also benefit from this drink. Thanks to its alkaline properties, baking soda helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel. This can be especially helpful if you have congestion or a persistent cough. Additionally, rinsing your mouth with water and baking soda can combat bad breath. Its neutralizing and antibacterial properties help reduce the acids and bacteria responsible for foul odors. While it doesn't replace brushing or flossing, it can be a useful complement. It also helps naturally whiten teeth by removing surface stains. However, it is not recommended to use it more than once or twice a week to avoid dental wear. And there's more. This mixture can strengthen the immune system. By helping to balance the body's pH, it reduces chronic inflammation and improves the environment in which the body's defense cells operate. How to prepare this solution? You only need to dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of about 200 milliliters of warm or room temperature water. Stir well until completely dissolved and drink slowly, preferably on an empty stomach if you're aiming to relieve digestive issues. But a word of caution, it's not for everyone. People with high blood pressure, kidney disease, or heart problems should avoid frequent use, as it can disrupt sodium balance and negatively affect their condition. It can also interact with some medications, so it's always best to consult a doctor before making it a regular habit. Bonus: salt water. Another home remedy with great benefits. In addition to the popular baking soda, table salt, when used in appropriate amounts, can be a powerful ally for your health. Although it often gets a bad reputation due to its link to high blood pressure, in small and well-controlled doses, salt provides essential minerals that our bodies need to function properly. A simple mixture of water and salt can be especially helpful in situations of dehydration, such as after intense exercise, excessive sweating, prolonged sun exposure, or episodes of diarrhea or vomiting. In these cases, the body loses vital electrolytes like sodium and chloride, which are essential for maintaining fluid balance and muscle function. Replenishing these minerals with a light saline solution can speed up recovery and improve overall well-being. How to prepare a homemade rehydration solution. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt, approximately 2 to 3 grams, in 1 liter of filtered or boiled water. Sip this mixture slowly throughout the day, especially if you're feeling tired, dizzy, or have been exposed to very hot conditions. This simple formula helps the body retain water more effectively, preventing excessive fluid loss through urine and improving cellular hydration. Digestive benefits. Drinking salt water in moderate amounts can also stimulate the production of hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes, both of which are essential for good digestion. Sodium and chloride in salt are natural components of gastric juices. Consuming this mixture 15 to 30 minutes before meals may help prevent bloating, gas, sluggish digestion, or a heavy feeling, especially in people with low stomach acid or recurring digestive issues. Positive effects on the skin. Natural salt, especially if using sea salt or Himalayan salt instead of refined salt, contains minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which can benefit the skin. These nutrients help maintain skin hydration, reduce inflammation, and promote better healing. Adding small amounts of salt water to your routine may contribute to smoother, more balanced skin with fewer breakouts, particularly for those with conditions like acne, dry skin, or eczema. What about seawater? Although it's not the same as homemade salt water, direct contact with seawater also offers benefits. Swimming in the ocean can naturally exfoliate the skin, stimulate circulation, and reduce tissue inflammation thanks to the mineral richness of seawater. However, it's always recommended to moisturize the skin afterward, as the high salt content can dry it out if not properly cared for. Important precautions to keep in mind. While salt water can be beneficial, it's not recommended for everyone. People with high blood pressure, heart disease, kidney issues, or those following a low-sodium diet should avoid or limit this practice. Excessive sodium intake can lead to fluid retention, increased blood pressure, or kidney overload. Additionally, drinking water that is too salty may have the opposite effect: dehydration, as salt can draw water out of cells into the intestines, causing fluid loss. As always, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before regularly incorporating any home remedy, especially if you have a medical condition or take medication. And that's it for today's video. Now tell me, did you know about the benefits of baking soda or salt water? Have you tried any of these mixtures? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this content helpful, share it with your friends and family. Someone close to you might also benefit from this information. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you can keep receiving valuable tips that can transform your daily life. See you in the next video.